When I first discovered Digital Futures, something that stood out to me was the fact they made a focus on that you didn't need any background in tech at all. I didn't have the technology background, which really I felt was blocking me from being where I wanted to go. It was a breath of fresh air, seeing the application window, not specifically asking for certain degree requirements. I would say applying for jobs is effectively a full-time job. You would send off, say, about 10 applications or something and hear back from none of them, and everything just kept building a frustration of where am I going, what am I doing, will I ever make it? Applying for Digital Futures was very different. It was very painless and quite speedy. The feedback was instantaneous. I knew straight away that I had passed that test, and that made me feel pretty good. Yeah, and the interview itself was very warming. I felt welcomed as soon as I got into the interview, and I found being able to speak directly to someone in the interview quite reassuring. It just made everything a bit more comfortable. I would say it took the stress out of the interview pretty much straight away. They told me what style of interview it would be so that I didn't come in completely blind, and I felt going into the interview that I was very prepared. I felt the system set me up for success. When I found out I'd been accepted, I was obviously ecstatic. It felt that I'd sort of got my foot in the door, and now it was up to me just to work as hard as possible to make sure that I took advantage of that opportunity. So 3 words I'd use to describe the application selection process would be encouraging, welcoming, and quick. I can say for a certainty, if I hadn't applied to Digital Futures when I did, I wouldn't be where I am now as a software engineer with a year's worth of experience. I'd say if you have any interest in working in software engineer, data science, cloud engineering, you should definitely apply. Next thing you know, you will be in your dream career.